my days, man. It's been so long. It's been about a month and a half, maybe 2 months. But guys, look, it's Poku Banks, baby, and I'm back.
Put my chick inside some Louis and some Valentino. Put my bro inside some Gucci and some Moschino. They want my money like it's a casino.
Look guys, as you already know, I go to university, so I have to deal with some exams, make sure I get my good grades. Results are coming pretty soon as well, so I have to revise them and make sure I get some good grades, but I'm back in full effect. I've got some good videos coming out very, very soon, so make sure you lot stay tuned to that. But in today's video, this is 12 ways that you can start making money today. This video is for the people that want to make some quick money. You don't have any time to waste. You don't have any time to go learn any new skills. You have the skills there and you really just start making money just like that. This video is also for the people that made it L and they want to make it back. You know, you had to pay a parking fine or you just lost some of your money, you make it back quickly. This video is for you. Cool. Now the first step to making money very, very quickly, number one, make sure you click the like button, the subscribe button, and the notify bell button. Why? Because my content is all about making money online. So make sure you do click those buttons and let's get started with the video. By the way, guys, I'm not gonna mention no surveys in this video. Personally, I don't really believe in them. I think it's a waste of time. I tried it before. I keep failing or they never take me on to the next stage. I think it's just a waste of time and I feel like there's way more better opportunities out there. Now, the second way that you can now start making money online very, very quickly is with dosh. This is a cashback website which essentially pays you for spending money. Now, for example, if you was looking around for a new internet provider and BT broadband, you know, or suits your taste, then if you sign up through the cashback link on dosh, you'll be given £40 once you've installed it into your house. That literally pays for your first month of broadband and a little bit into the second month. Or you can simply sign up to a Prime Video trial, the free trial, and earn £3.50 for 5 minutes of work. And guys, don't forget, there's other cashback websites online. So there's Top Cashback, Quidco, so there's a range of cashback deals. So if you can't find it on dosh, do check out the others. Now guys, let's not be stupid. Don't just buy stuff just to get cashback. For example, if you don't need BT broadband, don't do it. Do you get what I mean? Only buy stuff once you actually need it and you can find it on the cashback website. Let's not waste money here, okay? But let me not lie to you, there are some cashback deals where you can actually make some profit from them. And this is mainly to do with the gambling ones, okay? So for example, with Gala, if you deposit £5 of Gala on the cashback website, you'll be given £12.50. This means you're making a £7.50 guaranteed profit. And if you don't believe me, do check out my Making Money Online Challenge episode 1. It'll be over here or here, I'm not sure. But do check that out and it's proof I made over around £30 just from that one offer. Now, the third way that you can now start making money online is with drop servicing. This is essentially the same as drop shipping, but with services, okay? Now guys, for those with an extensive network, you know lots of people in different industries with different skill sets, this one's for you, trust me. A basic example of this is pretty much logo designs, okay? So someone approaches you to make a logo for them. You now take their money, you charge them £75, the premium. You go elsewhere, Fiverr for example. You take the design that your customer is giving you and you give it to the person on Fiverr that's making the logo for you. They make it for you, make sure they have unlimited revisions or make sure they do free revisions or edits so then you can go back and forth just in case the customer doesn't like it. They make it for you, you pay them £25, and then once they've made a logo for you, you then take the logo and give it back to the customer. So now you pocket the difference, £50. Why? Because you're managing it, you're sorting it all out. Another example of this is this course service on Instagram. Now you may be thinking, you know, how the hell do these things operate? You know, is the owner behind this account some, you know, genius that knows everything in maths, biology, chemistry, physics, economics? No, that's not how it goes, okay? The person behind this, he's just good at managing, he has an extensive network. The owner of this account has connections to multiple people in multiple fields with masters, PhDs, all sorts. So for example, if you have maths homework, you give him the maths homework, he'll then go to his maths guy that has a PhD and pay him a cheap price. You pay him the premium and he makes the difference. Do you get what I mean? He sorts it out, gives it back to him, and then he gives it back to you. Simple as. The fourth way you can now start making money straight away, like today, like right now, quickly, is with affiliate marketing. This is where you can gain commission for advertising or marketing someone else's or a company's products. This is usually tracked with an affiliate link or a code. Now, one of the biggest ones out there is Amazon affiliates. You can see this in many YouTube descriptions, you know, even in the description of this video, I show you where I got my camera, where I got my mic, and if you click any of those links, I will get paid a commission, a percentage, just for you buying those mics. And even if you don't buy the mic or the camera and you still go onto Amazon to buy something else, I'll still get commission. Why? Because I referred you to go into Amazon. Do you know what I mean? Another example is free trade. Look at this example. Now in that case, when you sign up and you deposit £1, me and you, we both get a free share. Now you need to apply this to your own niches and what you promote online on social media. So again, it needs to make sense. Now, if I was promoting cat food, for example, none of you guys would buy it. Maybe you might have cats, I don't know. But this isn't for cat food. This channel is all about investing. That's why I make a lot from free trade, because again, a lot of you guys are interested in it and you want to start, investing elsewhere. Furthermore, trading 212 is down, so you can't even invest there anyway. So you need to go invest with free trade. If you're looking to do that, do check it down, link down below. So guys, if you guys are looking to get started with affiliate marketing, make sure the niche makes sense. Don't just be marketing anything, okay? Market something that makes sense to you, something that you use preferably, and then it will all make sense. Now, the next way you can start making money very, very quickly is with food delivery. Now, guys, I'm gonna be honest to you guys. You guys are gonna have to drop your ego for this one, okay? Because a lot of you guys, you need another source of income, but you're not looking to do delivery or Just Eat because, the lime green jackets that are very, very bright and everyone can see you. A lot of people try to look down on food delivery, but guys, you gotta do what you gotta do. This is a very flexible job. You make drop-offs, you collect food at shops like McDonald's and Burger King, whatever. I mean, you go deliver them to your people on a bike or in a car, whatever works for you. One of my friends does Just Eat delivery. He told me it's £10 an hour, okay? So the minimum hours that you can work per week is 16 hours and the max is 36 for the 36-hour contract, okay? So you can make between £160 to £360 per week. You can opt to do the overtime, which is between 36 and 48 hours. But again, if you're on that contract, you can do so. Again, this is some good money. You can make around 1.2k per month, £10 an hour, and it's very flexible. Look guys, you guys can apply today and get started within 7 days. It's as simple as that. Cool, so the next way you can start making money very, very quickly is simply going through your budget. Now, this is one of the easiest ones to do right now, and you can make quite a bit of money from doing this. It sounds a little bit weird, but essentially you're literally freeing up money out of your bank account that would have been spent elsewhere. But as you are smart and you watch Poku Banks, I'm now telling you to go through your transactions, compile all of your transactions either manually or download Money Dashboard, which is an app which compiles all your transactions for you and puts it into categories. Now, you need to look through all these categories and look at how much money you're spending on each of these things. How much you spend on Uber, how much you spend on food, how much you spend on takeaway, how much you spend on rent, bills, all sorts. What you need to do is you need to find out where the holes and the problems are in your bank account and squash them, okay? You need to sort these problems out, get some solutions in. Because guys, the problem is that a lot of you guys, you use contactless, so you're just out here spending, tapping here, there. Contactless has gone up to £100 soon, by the way, so it's gonna be very dangerous for you lot. But you guys need to make sure you're careful where you're spending your money. With this contactless stuff, you don't really know where you're going. You're just freestyling, you're out here just spending. And then guess what? You're not even scared to look at your finances. You're scared to open your banking account. You're scared to look at your transactions. Why? Because you know you just went out of control. There's no structure. You're just out here spending for no reason. Now, an example of me, what happened back in the day is that I noticed that I spent around £190 in Uber in a month. And that was kind of outrageous at the time for me. So what I did is that I took a mental note, and then for the next month, I realized, cool, Poku, I can either take public transport or I can walk there. Why? Because this can save me money and can free up some extra cash that I can use elsewhere. Now, the next month, I actually only spent £40 on Uber because of that mental note I took in my head. So I've actually freed up another £150 that can be done elsewhere. There's an extra £150 in my account that's just sitting there waiting to be spent. Now, the only problem with this method is that it'll get down to a point where you can't cut down anymore or you start living like you're homeless. And that's not what I'm advising. Because guys, I don't advise for you to ruin your quality of life just to save money. That's not what I'm about, okay? I'm about living the best quality of life. So this means you have to earn more. So this means you have to do some of the other things in this list. So let's move on to the next one. Cool, so the next quick way that you can start making money quickly is switching your accounts. Now, if you want to make a quick £100, listen up. First, I read offering new bank account openers to switch from their bank account using the switch service, so it switches all your direct debits and all sorts. And the £100 bonus is then granted after meeting this criteria that I'm about to state. You need to deposit £1,000 within the first 3 months. This also means you can send money back and forth, so you can deposit £200, send back to another account, and then send it back again, so that's £400. You can keep depositing money, okay? Once you've done that, 28 days will count down and being paid £100 from First Direct. Again, you're just making money literally from switching from one bank account to another. So if you have a bank account that you don't really use, you don't really care about, then just switch to First Direct, get that £100, go use it. Now for HSBC, they pay you £125 for you to switch accounts, but you have to pay in £17.50 every month just to keep your account open, but with the criteria. But don't get me wrong, you are paid within 20 days of the service switch being completed. So again, you can close your account afterwards if you want to do so. So There's that as well. Make sure you go check that out. Now, the next way you can quickly make money is buying and reselling. This is one of the easiest ways. I feel like this is one of the first ways that many entrepreneurs get into entrepreneurship. Literally by buying something for one price and then selling it for another. Literally, and making the difference. It's that simple. But what you need to do is, you now need to go on Facebook Marketplace, look for your niche and look for things of value, below market value. Find items on a discount that you could then go resell elsewhere, maybe in another market, preferably, but you can sell it in the same market, like Facebook Marketplace, for a higher price. That's what I've done. I found a freezer on Facebook Marketplace for around £70. I bought it and then I resold it for like £110. I made £40 just like that. Or for example, the PS5 that I got, thanks to Search Notify, I got it for £450 and I resold it for £600 on Facebook Marketplace as £150 profit. You know, again, a lot of people like to resell shoes, sneakers, and all sorts. They are pretty hard to get though, so again, I do recommend you join a quick group, which is Surge Notify. I recommend that. Why? Because they tell you exactly how to get the shoes, where to get the shoes, the backdoor drops, ways to even get them, sneaky tips and tricks that the public wouldn't know. So if you guys are interested, do click the link down below. Check out Surge Notify. If you don't know how much things go and sell for, the demand for it, go on eBay, search it up, then go into filter, click sold and complete items. You'll then find out exactly how often they're being sold and what price they're being sold at, so you can get a gauge of whether you should go buy and resell this item. Now, the next way that you can quickly go and make some money is through risk-free betting. You can sign up to my course on selfelevation.co.uk. What this tells you and teaches you is how to bet risk-free. Imagine being able to bet risk-free without losing any money whatsoever and making a guaranteed profit. You'll know exactly how much money you make before the game starts, and then you don't have to do anything about it. Furthermore, you don't need to know anything about sports. You don't need to know anything about gambling or whatever. In fact, this ain't even gambling. This is risk-free betting. It involves betting on both sides, making use of free bets, all sorts. So if you guys are interested, do check out selfelevation.co.uk. The course is for £49, but you get my number as well, so you can then call me, find out how to do it, and I can teach you exactly. But the course is there, and then you also get my mentorship. So it's a win-win situation. Do check it out. You can make around, I'd say around £400, £500 in your first month if you're on it. I am offering a 30-day refund for anyone that does not make any money, but you probably won't get a refund because you will make money. So go check it out, selfelevation.co.uk. Now guys, I can't lie, if you're very, very desperate for some money, the next thing that you can possibly do is by going through your wardrobe, going through your old stuff, and then just selling it on eBay, flogging it elsewhere, and making some money off that. Now don't get me wrong guys, you need to sell things of value. This means old phones, old TVs, old laptops, old clothes, things that are nice, old furniture, all sorts. This is the things that you can go sell. You don't want to sell your 2001 CD. No one wants to buy your 2001 CD. No one cares, man. This ain't even the CD era anymore. You only get like 30p. Again, this is very, very quick because all you need to do is look around the room, find things that you don't need. Look, everyone has things they don't need. It's just depending on how desperate you are for some money. You know what? I even have a 50-inch TV right there. I haven't opened it in like a year. I used it in first year of uni. I don't use it anymore. I'm gonna sell it. I'll probably sell it for £200, £250. While I was writing the script, I noticed, you know what? I need to sell this TV. So again, I'm gonna sell this TV and make £200 just like that. So again, make sure you guys look around the room. I know there's something that you don't use. So go check it out. Now, the final way that you can make some quick money today is through consulting, okay? Now, if you have expertise, accolades, or achievements in a niche subject that is in high demand that people want to learn, then you can go sell your time going to explain and answer any questions that anyone else may have in that niche subject. You can charge per hour, and again, it depends on what the niche skill is. If it's something lucrative that they can make a lot of money off, so this means you might have run like a 7-figure business and you want to teach other people that want to build 7-figure businesses, you can charge 4 figures per hour. Time is money, guys. Look, what you're not charging for, you're not really charging per hour. You're charging for all those years and experiences that you've gone through, and you're just breaking it down into 1 hour. That's what you're charging for. You're not charging £1,000 just because you're speaking for an hour. No, you're charging £1,000 for the achievements you've made, the blood, sweat, and tears you've been through, and the advice that you can give. Some of the advice that you lot can give from the experiences that you've been through, the wisdom you've accumulated over the years, you can't find it online. Or if you could, you have to dig way deep, probably onto the dark web. So again, you know, if you have a property portfolio, you can then charge people to learn how to get into the property ladder, okay? Because again, you've done it, you've got experience with it, you've dealt with mortgage brokers, you've dealt with solicitors, all sorts. You can then give that advice to someone that needs it. Put on your story, put on a post, let people know, put it on Fiverr, get out there and tell people. And trust me guys, there are people out there willing to pay for consulting, okay? Like, don't think it's not a thing. Maybe you haven't paid for consulting, but I have. A lot of other business owners do. Why? Because they want a specific advice from the right people. Do you get what I mean? But anyways guys, let me just say this, okay? Yeah, it's cool making quick money and all, but sometimes it doesn't last. If you guys want to make big money, I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to put in the work. You're gonna have to put in the work. This is delayed gratification. This means you're gonna put in the work now. You may not want to do it now, but the fruits of your labor will come time and time later. It will show later, not now. So if you want to make big and consistent money, you are gonna have to put in the work. You know, things don't come overnight. Yes, this is a way to make some quick money. But again, if you want to live the lifestyle that you want to live, gain financial freedom, you are gonna have to put in the work. So just keep that as a reminder. But guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. You already know what it is. It's Poku Banks, baby.